Okay, good afternoon. This is another offering from Big Water. It's a 32 Carver Voyager located on the western end of Lake Superior in Superior, Wisconsin. It's a great boat, been well maintained. It has 350 Chevys with 560 hours on them. The top is in great shape. All the glass is in good shape. It's all laid out also for the fishermen with Trax Tex on the stern. The cockpit is in perfect shape. The cabin is in great condition, nice and bright, airy. The dinette, of course, folds out into another berth. There's 2 staterooms on this boat. The master, which has a nice berth in it, and also a locker. And a second stateroom. Kind of a tuck under deal. It makes for a nice storage area also. This boat's been well maintained. It's also equipped with air conditioning. Nice big head. Nice big cockpit for fishing. There's the Trax Tex. The approach for the flybridge enclosure. The electronics. Raytheon radar. Combo GPS map, autopilot. Plenty of room up here to have 4 or 5 people easy. Also, this is nice for conversation. I believe that backrest rotates forward for rear viewing. Like I said, the boat has 560 hours on both engines. And it's been well maintained. And she could be yours. If you're interested in this boat, call Big Water at 218-390-4851 or online at bigwaterboatbroker.com. Thank you and have a good day.